Germany's deposit return system, Pfand, puts a small refundable deposit on most bottles and cans, and the broader culture of rigorous recycling and waste separation that surrounds it. The underlying mindset runs deeper than recycling bins. Almost nothing is treated as truly disposable. Packaging, materials, and old items are assumed to have residual value until proven otherwise. Applied to household finance, this becomes a habit of selling, trading, or repurposing items rather than discarding them. Old electronics, furniture, clothing, and equipment that no longer serve a purpose still carry resale value that most households simply throw away or donate without a second thought. A household that consistently resells or repurposes items it no longer needs, rather than discarding them, typically recovers $500 to $1,000 a year that would otherwise be lost entirely. The Pfand mindset teaches a simple financial lesson. Small values add up over time. Many people ignore small amounts because they seem insignificant, but repeated small amounts can create meaningful financial results. This same thinking applies beyond bottles and cans. It applies to everything you own. Before throwing something away, ask whether someone else would pay for it. An old phone, unused furniture, or extra equipment can become cash instead of waste. This habit changes your relationship with possessions. You stop seeing things as trash and start seeing them as resources. The result is a household that wastes less and keeps more money.